Calling all first home buyers, downsizers and investors, have I got a gem for you.
Hi, I'm Kyna Vanderveld, proudly representing LJ Hooker, and I cannot wait to take you through this delightful home.
Offering spacious and low maintenance living, plus your own private outdoor area, this tidy brick and tile home is ready for its new owner to move straight in. As always, if you have any questions regarding this wonderful opportunity, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Otherwise, I look forward to meeting you at the next home open.